Hello everyone, it's Stream Trades back with you here again, and I found something interesting in the charts I want to share with you because I know that a lot of people will be talking about that in a day or two. Maybe starting from today, you will hear a lot uh, critical opinions saying that the Bitcoin will drastically fall just based on that indicator. And I will tell you my opinion and why I think that it's not so scary as it may look. And basically, the indicator that most of the people talk about is this uh, indicator showing uh, the miner's capitulation. If you look at this white circle, that means that the miners of a Bitcoin are capitulating. What it actually means? That means that the power that they use in order to mine one Bitcoin is actually growing. The price for that is growing, and it's not that good for them to continue. It's actually easier for them to stop their mining farms in order to wait for the better price whenever the Bitcoin will go higher and the price for it will go higher. So that's actually what happened here. You saw the sign of the miners capitulation over here, and that's actually the candle when it happened. Also notice how the EMA ribbon respected that, and after it, you saw this dump. Actually, let's measure how low that dump was from this candle whenever the signal flashed. That was minus 40% drop. And now, if you notice, there's another white circle just happened today. Well, actually, it flashed yesterday. I missed that signal over here on this candle. Another capitulation signal flashed. And I'm surprised that still not many are talking about it. But you will see more and more people saying, well, it just flashed, so that means that the market will fall in another like minus 30, minus 40%. It can surely do that, so you better be prepared for any kind of scenario. But why I think that there may be a little fall, maybe it will even break this low to go into another one. Why I think so, and why I think that the Bitcoin is probably bottoming here, somewhere here right now, there should be a bottom. Let's go back and scroll in time and see if there was any situation that is kind of similar or identical. And you will definitely find one. History repeats a lot. For example, let's have a look at this. You had three miners capitulation signals here. Here was one, then there was another one, and basically from those signals, there was a fall. Let's measure how much it over here there was signal, and we had a minus 45% fall, right? So over here, a lot of people start accumulating Bitcoin, waiting for the continuation of a bull run. But it actually, look, here was a lower low, and there was another low established here. And that happened exactly after this next signal flashed. So here was a signal, it just fell a little bit, then came higher, retested the EMA ribbons, and then there was another pullback, which was like how much? Another like 30% from here. And then whenever we saw the buy signal, the market reversed. Well, actually here, if you notice, all this area was a pretty good area to start accumulating your Bitcoins before the continuation of a bull market. And if you would accumulate over here, then you'll make nice profits, right? And I believe something similar may happen here, that this is a good area to start accumulating. Now I will even show you another reasons. Well, first of all, if you remember, I told you that if you will look at the chart, you will see, for example, trades indicator showing you a divergence, which is a good sign. Also, Let's see if I'll go on the 1 week time frame. We know that this area is very strong support area because of the previous bull market higher high, right? But let's measure if the Bitcoin will go down. Is there another strong areas that will support that kind of idea that there is some kind of area close to where the price is now that it is more likely to bounce? And we will use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low to the swing high. And over here was that price, $16,500. There's 50% retracement area. So I think that it's absolutely possible for Bitcoin. I'm not saying that it will 100% happen, but it's absolutely possible that Bitcoin may fall into this area, have a strong rejection here with the big wick like this, and go higher. But I'm more than sure, but these are just my thoughts, not financial recommendations. So remember that. I'm pretty sure that over here there will be a time for accumulating your bitcoins. And most of the people that I know who are traders and professional traders and investors are taking that chance. Also, there's such thing as dollar index. Remember, here was a strong growth. And let's go into the dollar index. That's Dixie. There it is. Let's switch into that dollar currency index. And what you can see here is that every time when the price for the dollar index goes drastically up, that's a time when Bitcoin having some problems. Whenever the dollar index goes down, that's when Bitcoin price is growing. And you can see it all the way here. Well, let's figure out what the chart here is telling us. First of all, notice how high it went all the way up without any significant retracement. Most of you know that for such kind of impulsive movement, there should be at least a correction coming. So it moved from here to here, 19% for dollar index. That's a lot without any retracement. So there should be a retracement potential one coming. Let's go ahead and see some other indicators over here. What do we see? We see on RSI something like a divergence is about to come, which may happen. It's not there yet. Remember that. Let's change the color. This divergence is not here yet because we do not see any um, bearish candle, but it might be happening soon. Then let's go ahead and look some other areas. I will actually go into 1 month's time frame because what I want to see the previous higher high, which happened to be here, and let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool. This time we go from the swing high into the swing low to measure any potential zones. And what you will notice here, there's a golden pocket, the area where the price is most likely will have a strong, for this time of move, strong resistance. That's what happened here. You see how many times it touched it and retested it and had a strong resistance. Actually, over here, I thought that it will most likely bounce and go lower, but it surprised us and went even higher. And now it is coming close to the platinum pocket over here. So there is a very high chance that the Dixie will have a problem over here. Whenever it will come to this area, it will face a dramatic resistance and then it will fall. And if it will, you know what's going to happen to Bitcoin? Bitcoin will rise. Also, let's have a look at some indicators. You see here that it's on the overbought territory now. And actually, yeah, I can spot the divergence if it's gonna happen. Look over here. I mean, again, it's not there yet because there's not a bearish candle, but if there will be one, you will definitely see that. The same thing on instrument trades indicator. There might be a divergence coming before the fall for the dollar index. So basically, that's it. There are some factors showing that Bitcoin is most likely to have bottom somewhere there. And my personal recommendation, not the financial recommendation, but my personal advice to myself and to my viewers, I am accumulating and I'm waiting for now the strong signal to flash on the market to show me that Bitcoin is most likely to reverse before I add more. And I hope that most of you are also doing something similar. But remember, it's all on your risk. Consider it all, check it all, so there won't be nobody to blame except for yourself because everybody is making their own decisions. And remember, without the risk, there's no reward. I hope you have a safe and profitable trading. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye bye.